In this video, you're going to learn how to use Kahoot to participate in an online game or homework assignment without using an account. The important thing to keep in mind is that you will need two devices or two windows open on your desktop to play live. It's not possible to join on a device like a phone because you're going to need two windows, one to see the instructions and one to answer the questions. The best way to play Kahoot is if you use the teacher's instructions on your desktop and your phone to answer the questions. So let me show you exactly how this is going to go. Your teacher is going to share this screen, which you can see on your desktop or Padlet. This is the screen that the whole class sees, and you can either scan the QR code or go to the kahoot.it or kahoot.com website on your browser or on your phone. You can also get the Kahoot app, which makes it easier to answer the questions on your phone. Let me show you what it looks like from your browser. Here I am on the Kahoot website without an account. Up here, I click play, and it takes me to here. This is where I put in the game pin. Enter. Then it prompts me to put in a nickname. So the nickname is the name that appears throughout the game. Let's say Juju. Okay, go. So I usually let my students choose if they want to be anonymous or not. If for some reason the game kicks you out at one point, then to re-enter, you may need to alter your name. So if you were Juju the first time, you might need to change the name to Juju1, Juju2. So here they've given me an icon, a little character, and I'm Juju3 because it didn't work 2 times. I had to try again. Sometimes the website is a little bit sensitive. You have to try a couple times. This is what happens when the teacher starts the game. And remember, you'll be looking at the window on your desktop for this. It introduces the Kahoot. Then all of the players see the question. A person from the Netherlands is, and you have multiple choice questions here. And this is important because on your device, you're only going to have the 2 answers. So you choose either red or blue. Sometimes you only have the 2 colors and you have to choose one. From the Netherlands is Dutch, so we take the red. Correct. So the important thing is that you remember to have 2 devices and to toggle between them while playing the game. This is much simpler when you are assigned a Kahoot by your teacher that is not to be played live, and I'll show you very quickly how that works. This is what it looks like when your teacher shares a homework assignment with you on Kahoot. It starts out the same. You have to put in the game pin. Here we go. So you get a series of questions, and the nice thing is, oh no, that's blocked. And you answer on your own. So let me begin by giving you the background of our work. So I chose green, and you see automatically if the answer is correct, and then you click the next button and go through the series of questions until the end. If you're a teacher or a student and would like to try out Kahoot with me, I give a live stream every Sunday. Subscribe and hit the notification button on my live streams that take place once a week. I'm looking forward to seeing you there.